Khubor Kapati TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka Pynshai ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabenta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yes no, but ka ICA.
Ka Office Jong Chief Electoral Officer Jong ka Jila Meghalaya ha ka Laitrik Ujileo Arjapsan. Kala pelong ya Election Media Workshop hanang Wak Shillong bat ka jingtemu jong ka workshop. Kalong ban niat trelang bat kilap thai Khubor nak benta pan pun jingkieng. Ya ki nong shong ban pediang ya ki jingtemu ki beradan lupa bat ki bedang penrung thamai jong ka Election Commission of India ki be dai ba kilap thai Khubor. Ha kini ki jingelang lai don lang u Chief Electoral Officer ka Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari u bala pen bam smai bat Pynshai shikilap thai Khubor Halor ka Kyndon kam ban ya trelang. Nalor CEO la ajing keran ru da u Director ka Office Information and Public Relations u ba B Solia ka Joint CEO Meghalaya ka kong YR Maulong ka balalong ru ka Media Nodal Officer u Senior Journalist Pak Philip Marwen u ba mi khmat ki Nongthoh Khubor ka jela u ba Nicholas Kharnami kat ba ka editor jong ka kot Khubor The Shillong Times ka kong Patricia Mukhem kala ajing keran link ba ka video.
The citizens of India are having abiding faith in democracy. Hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement. Along with some other minor subjects, but three were the constants in the both time. So vast experience, 7 phases election and very hot election field. So lot of things, how to manage the media and how to have a better interaction with the media people. It helps us a lot in the catering so many things, because dealing simultaneously with complaint and media. Whatever comes, we used to just get the complaint from the media person, just pass on to the concerned official and giving the bite. And the statement also through the electronic media and as well as through the print media people also. So it goes in the real time, especially the social media also. If the matter has come to our knowledge and a cognizance has been taken, means half of the nuisance already gone as it has come to the knowledge of media. And once it is been break by one channel, the other channel also has the pressure from there in the counterpart, and the computer channel has break this news, why not you? So any such thing was happening anywhere across the state, immediately through WhatsApp it used to come to us, and then we used to share, and the letter and mail were followed subsequently for getting the report, but immediately it has been shared to the concerned DC, and then sought the report, please send the report after giving a call. Immediately I give the bite. So in that way, so many severe things, which may be, if we will take the due course after 1 hour, so time is very important. Because the perception, it is being repeated, news has been repeated, and it generates the perception about certain incidents. And if the officers are working, are vigilant, and through the election commission side also, we are quite vigilant. So it reduces sufficiently the claim which may come out if it takes more time.
It is very interesting to see that how it has been instrumental in swaying the Gen Z or the young generation of this nation. Given the fact that most of the young people now are equipped, thanks again I would say to the press, that they have made them equipped about understanding the whole gimmick of what is political dynamics in the country as a whole, has given them now more power to be able to go out there and also express and voice out. I would like to express my sincere appreciation, of course, to the Chief Election Officer and the ECI, the Election Commission of India, for the very fact that it has not shunned away this particular segment of the media world, which is the social media influencers, who currently have played a very, very important role. As we have seen, many of the social media influencers now are in the mainstream politics, joining political parties, and how we all started was basically voicing out for people from various constituencies.